I saying it's a bad idea to pay off your house and you should never pay off the mortgage and you should keep a 30-year loan on at all times? No. So that's not what I'm saying. Okay. I'm saying that if I am doing this, I'm lessening the interest I pay. Right? That's not wrong. That's actually not a bad idea. See, so I get where you're coming from. I would be actually like looking at, okay, this, I could track the logic behind why someone would do this. I am lessening the interest I pay. So that's not all bad. Okay. I am eventually reducing the amount of monthly income I give to financial institutions. So even at that point, like maybe 15 to 20 years down the road, at some point I will have more money back, right? That's not a bad concept. But the missing link is that I'm not creating anything. Okay, I'm not generating income. I'm not generating more. I'm only getting rid of. Okay, so if I'm getting rid of interest, I'm lessening. That's not expansive, right? Wealth means that I have to have the passive income coming in, which means that I need to be expanding and creating, not restricting and pulling back and economizing. There's a time and a place for that, but that's not how wealth is built. Okay, and then again, at some point, I'll have monthly payments freed up. But again, that's a restrictive thing. I'm cutting down an expense to make room for more money to go out later, right? That's not creating wealth. So I have to look at the missing link in the equation, passive income greater than. Passive income greater than expenses, taxes, and savings. Okay, so if I don't have the passive income greater than part, then I'm not wealthy. I'm not going to get wealthy. So these things are great. They might handle the latter half of the equation, but they don't actually get me where I need to go.